Welcome everyone to Best Beans Lifestyle Channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Today we're going to dive into the flavors of Haiti with Pikliz. This spicy pickled vegetable relish is made with fresh cabbage, carrots, peppers, and a burst of tangy vinegar. Perfect as a topping for meats, rice, and beans. Pikliz adds a delicious kick to any meal. Can I tell you guys, it's so nice on fish, you know, especially those little sardines. So good. Whether you're looking to explore Haitian cuisine or spice up your recipes, this quick guide shows you everything you need to make your own homemade Pikliz. And for sure, guys, as you can see, I have all these little ingredients right here that I'll be using to make the Pikliz epicurious. So keep watching, guys, and you will see the process. First, I am going to, peel my onions and all of that. Everything is gonna wash nicely, guys, before I actually, get them shred and mix up into something that is tasty and good. And guys, if you're going to make this for yourself, use your moderation as to when it comes to the hot pepper. You know your tolerance, so yeah, depending on how spicy you want it, then you can also adjust your peppers and all of that. Okay, guys, so let's get the show going. Best Beans family, what I'm about to do now is wash the cabbage with some salt and just let it sit in the water for a couple minutes, you know, to soak off a little bit. In the meantime, I am going to cut up these veggies right here, the onions, peppers, and all of that. And I already washed these, all right? So let me continue. Okay guys, now that I washed the cabbage, drain off the water properly. You know, I try to make sure that I rinse it properly to get rid of the salt that I used to wash it. Yes guys, I'm gonna season it up now. I'm just going to add some Creole seasoning to it, just enough to give it a little kick. A 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm gonna go in now with all my veggies that I had prepared and, you know, give it a nice toss. You can use assorted bell peppers if you like for this. However, I'm just using some green bell peppers. And I'm going to add a little lemon juice to it now. Lime juice would be ideal, but I don't have any lime juice, so I am using the lemon. And you can squeeze your lime juice, you know, ahead of time to pour into it. But I'm just gonna cut my lemon in half, remove the seeds, and, you know, get some of it in there. I would say about a tablespoon of lemon juice, okay? I want it to have this, you know, zesty taste. And it pairs well with fish as mentioned before. All right, so that is good. I'm gonna add a little bit of distilled vinegar to it, white distilled vinegar. Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna give this a toss. and get everything blend in nicely. After which I'm going to pour it into a jar, set it in the refrigerator for about 3 days for it to marinate up nicely. Yes guys, so when I'm ready to add it to my fish or any meat kind for that matter, if I'm making a sandwich, you know, can add it to any little thing to enhance the flavor of what you're eating. Yeah, yes guys, I can smell all the peppers already. Yeah, very spicy guys. So as said earlier in the video, if you're considering making this for yourself, feel free to adjust the pepper to your own desire, because you know some of these peppers are very spicy, especially the Scotch bonnet. Yeah, it can be very feisty. Yeah, so you want to ensure that you use enough that is satisfying to you and your family. Look at it guys, isn't it looking good? The colors are popping. I didn't overdo the veggies in it, you know, just a few little veggies so it can stand out, you know. I didn't want the veggies to overpower the cabbage. All right guys, so this is it. Tell me if you like it. How does it look guys? Type it in the comment section if this is something that you've tried before, or if it is something that you're considering, you know, to make. All right guys, so guess what, if you reach this far in the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, will you consider subscribing to my channel and be part of Best Beans Lifestyle? Yes guys, come on board. This is it. And guys, can I tell you, I'm pretty sure you'll see me adding this, you know, to some of my dishes. So just keep watching my channel and you will see how this blends nicely with my meal. All right guys, so this is it. So I'm gonna add it to the jar now. Yeah, don't go nowhere guys, don't go nowhere. The video is not done as yet. I have other family members that love this, so I'm gonna make extra jars, okay? This is it, Best Beans family, our Haitian Pikliz. This is something that is quick and easy to fix, very tasty on meals. Yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna incorporate them in my meal. Think of you, my Best Beans family. I hope you like this little quick and easy video. If you tried it, please let me know in the comment section. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, as you can see, this little one, I'm gonna pack it in my lunchbox. Yeah, I can add it to my sandwich, my meal, whatever I'm gonna take with me for lunch. I can add it to it. All right guys, so bless up yourself. Thanks for watching. All right, remember to like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget. Thanks for watching again guys. I can't thank you enough for the love and the support. This is it guys. Pikliz to the world. Okay guys, bye.